Date and time instead starts very easy and then turns to be a little more difficult. Now and today are two very straightforward functions. Now, if you type now, guess what does it do? It gives you the current day and the current time. You see? I'm doing this video on the 1st of February. Today gives you the current day, 1st of February. Okay. However, now we must talk about, let's do first weekday. Weekday simply tells you which weekday is the date that you select. For example, if you select today, it's 3. 3 means Tuesday, okay, because the week starts with Sunday. Okay. If you don't like the fact that the week starts with Sunday, you want to start it with another way, please check the return types. If you change it, it will start with Monday, for example. Okay. Now let's talk about the date serial number format. Excel has a special way to store in its memory the date. Each date for Excel it's represented by the number of days passed from the 1st of January 1900. It seems strange to you, but Excel doesn't record date like us with day, month, year. For him, a date is simply represented by an integer number, and it's the number of days passed from the 1st of January 1900. It means that for Excel, nothing exists before. So you cannot put dates in the 19th century. Let's see the demonstration. Look here, you have today, 1/2/2011. Okay. It's today, 1/2/2011. Okay. Let's put equal to now. If you prefer, we can do it like this, but we can do also now. Oops. Okay, in any case, let's take this today and cheat Excel. So it's a date, but we tell him, well, it's not a date, it's number. So it's always today, yeah, here. The function is always today, but tell him it's number. You can see that according to Excel, today is day number 40,575. It means that 40,000 days have passed since the beginning of the 20th century. Okay. Let's go back to the... What is now, according to Excel? Well, Excel handles the time in the same way. For him, time is just a fraction of a day. So, for example, for him, noon, 12:00, it's half day. Okay. 6 p.m. is 3/4 of a day. 6 a.m. is 1/4 of a day. So, considering that now it's 17:08, the result should be something like comma 70, probably. Let's see. Number. Comma 71. Because for him... let's go to the right one. Oops. Let's do undo. Because for him, 5 p.m. it's approximately 0.7, 70% of the day has passed. So for Excel, a day is an integer number, and time is just a fraction of the integer number. This is a very nice way for him to store the days. Okay. So now he can put, now we convert it to number, so we can see it, and this is equal to day. We convert it into number. So don't worry if you have a date and suddenly it gets something like 40,000. It's because you have converted it to a number, or better, converted. You have just tell Excel it's a number and not a date. For Excel it's exactly the same. Numbers, dates are the same. Okay. What does it mean? Well, the most important implication is that you can do additions. As you can see here, I suggest you to do today plus 20,5. What will be the result? Today plus 20,5. You can see I really do an addition with a date. So I take today and I add 20.5. 20.5 is a number. It's not a date. What is the result? The result is 20 days in the future plus 12 hours. Since now it's 5 p.m., it means that it will go 21 days. In fact, 21 February. Okay. Let's do here equal today. I know, because it's today and not now. Okay. You can see that today, according to Excel, it's at midnight. Okay, so 0, 0. Today minus 10. 10 days before. So you can very easily go up and down with time, adding and subtracting numbers. However, you are limited to going up and down of days, or if you want, of hours, taking care that 0,5 means 12 hours, 0,25 means 6 hours, and all the rest. Okay. There is another thing that you can do. You can calculate how many days have passed between two dates. For example, put here your birthday. And if you want to know how many days have passed from your birthday until now, so how many days you are old, okay, you can simply write equal today minus this one. Pay attention, a little technical note. You can do minus B10, but you cannot do minus this thing here. This is strictly forbidden because it confuses Excel. Excel believes that this is a division. Okay. Also, things like this are strictly forbidden. Excel believes it's a range. So if you want to use a date, please put it in a cell and make a reference to it. So today minus B10 calculates the number of days between B10 and today. However, the calculation is not immediate. Well, it depends on the Excel version. Let's see if it works. No, in my Excel it doesn't work. It prints a strange thing. This is because Excel has seen today, and probably he expects a date, and so has put the result in a date format. But I want a number as a result, so let's tell him, no, it's a number. And I discover that I am 10,098 days old. So 10,098 days have passed between the 10th of June 1983 and the 1st of February 2011. So the three basic operations you can do: adding days, subtracting days, calculating the difference in days between two dates. And this is everything straightforward. However, what happens if I ask you, please take today and go on for 3 months equal today? You should go on for 3 months. Well, the easy way is to type plus 90. But you know, not every month has 30 days. Some of them has 31, some 28, and some 29. So 90 is not precise. Okay. In order to solve the problem, there are more advanced functions that we will see